Finding a job where you can get paid to type online is a great choice for anybody searching for a way to work remotely. After all, with only a couple of pieces of equipment, the majority that you'll already have, you can actually earn money when you have spare time. This is due to the fact that you will only need to ensure that your assignments are completed by the due date. It is entirely up to you whether you prefer to do this during the day when the rest of your household is out of the house or late at night when everyone is asleep. The adaptability of such an online job is its best feature, especially if you're already a fast typer with the skills to really make money in this way. So, stick with the video till the end. I will tell you about a website that you can try to earn money sitting at your home by just typing the text. Before moving with the video, I request to hit subscribe the channel, as I post regular videos showing you new ways to earn money online. Now let's dive into the video. The website is Casting Words. I will provide website link in description box, so you check website through that link. Casting Words is a transcription firm that has been in business since 2005. Their primary aim is to connect their clients with skilled transcribers and provide an income source for freelancers/transcriptionists globally. Casting Words has evolved into a global company, serving a diverse range of customers and hiring freelancers from all over the world. In fact, they are already selling their transcription service in a variety of languages. Casting Words is a real business. Despite some negative feedback, they've been featured in the Wall Street Journal and are ranked highly among several of the best transcribing services. How do Casting Words work? Casting Words employs freelancers/independent contractors to complete transcription work for their clients. As a freelancer, you must transcribe and edit your work to meet Casting Words standards. Your job involves more than simply listening to and writing down audio/video files. The work you submit must be highly accurate. Because this transcribing job is a work-from-home opportunity, you will get benefit from the advantages of being self-employed. So, yes, you can work from almost anywhere and at any time. All you really need for this job is a computer, a good audio headset, a silent place to work, and, of course, an internet connection. Jobs available on Casting Words. There will be different kind of jobs that you will find, such as transcribing audio/video files, editing transcripts, approving transcriptions and edits made on them. This was a brief introduction to Casting Words. You can read more about the Casting Words on their website. Now I will tell you how to get job on Casting Words step by step. Click on the link that I have provided in the description box. After the website has been loaded, click on the Register Now button you see right here. Fill your details like first name, last name, email address and choose a password. Click on Get Started. After you have submitted your details, click on Login. I will also log in into my account. After login into your account, fill the details that this website will ask, and also write a small bio about yourself. You will be asked to transcribe an audio as a test. On this basis, your account will be approved. After your account has been approved, select an assignment from the list of available jobs on your workshop page. It is important to note that the number of assignments in your account will be determined by your current level as a transcriber. When you find something that arouses your interest, click on it to open it in preview mode. You can read the instructions for that specific assignment there. If you've decided on getting the assignment, click on the Work on this button to accept the task. You can download the file to your computer and do the transcription on a Word document. Do the transcription. When you're finished, simply copy and paste your work into their transcription field. Click on the Submit Job button to submit your work for review. It's pretty simple stuff. While working at Casting Words, your income will be strongly influenced by your grades and badges. This serves as a motivation for you to aim high and produce high-quality work. You will paid around $1 for every audio minute you transcribe. Casting Words will only pay through PayPal, so it's a must for you to have a verified PayPal account when you decide to work for them. They will also cover the PayPal fees, ensuring that you receive your full pay when your earnings are transferred to your PayPal account. The payout requirement is only $1, so it is quite simple to meet. Casting Words is a legitimate company that provides legitimate transcribing jobs, and if you have previous transcription experience, you may find it simple to work for them. Work from home opportunities such as Casting Words can provide independence and allow you to work on your own schedule. No bosses, no obnoxious coworkers, and no office hours. So this was everything about Casting Words. If you want to earn more money by reading books, filling out surveys, playing games, then you should check out my channel, as I have explained in detail on how to make money online in 2021. If you got to learn something new from this video, show love by sharing and liking the video. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you with another video. Till then, keep hustling.